This is a pneumatic press in a, it's probably acrylic or something to that effect, polycarbonate. These corners say 820 net with the phone number, and I don't think that's the manufacturer because this one says TRD Manufacturing, a Bimba Corporation, 6x2 inch, so 6-inch bore, 2-inch stroke, and it's got the part ID, but that could just be the cylinder. Not sure on the manufacturer on this thing. It's got some really nice components. It's pneumatics and Parker, pneumatics air valves. This is all Parker. This is all Parker. Safety control. I don't know. Overall, I mean, this unit is really nice. It's really built nice. Basically what it is this is a punch. So you see it's got this one and this one. So I don't know if I can do this and show you guys, but I'll try. So I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I can. I'm not sure how to show you this. Need somebody else to operate this thing. Gotta hit them at the same time. But then it's got to shoot for whatever you punch to drop out. This whole piece here, so you can slide these out. This safety mechanism or safety lock. It's got like a door on the front here. Set this down for 1 second to get this door because I got to pick it up a little bit. Just had it out a second ago. Can't seem to get it back out. Need another set of hands. Maybe if I can just kind of, you can see in here. There's the punch, and it's like the same as another unit we just did. Oh, that's the unit. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I will try and get some better details if you need it. Otherwise, thank you.